Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Surfing Doggo. I'm Doggo and this is my vlog with a V. I'm here in Madrid and doing my first video. Welcome to my channel, my thing. It's a thing. We're doing a thing. What is a surfing doggo, you might ask? Well, I'm gonna tell you. It's a doggo that surfs, except I'm not actually a doggo. I'm a human, but I have a doggo and I surf. So that's why surfing doggo. That's a horse, not a doggo. My doggo is pretty cute, so thanks for asking. I actually didn't have my next line ready, but this is like typical Madrid and now I'm wet. So welcome to Madrid. So I had these plans, these epic plans to make this super cool first video, and it's just not happening. So here I am. When I was a little kid, technology was everything. I wanted to make video games. I tried like building things with electronics that just, I was a little kid, what did I know? But I saw the value in it and I loved it. And I want to take us back to those early days of like the internet when everything was still kind of in between a hobby and professional, and do some really amazing things. Last year in Madrid, I spent the entire month of June alone. Things with the girl ended, never had gone well. Job had ended, never had really gone well. I didn't like it. And I connected with my dreams, with my little kid self again. And I said, what do I want to do? I started working on the video game that I've had in my mind for 10 years. Got some, it's the cops photobombing. No, not photobombing, bombing over there. And I started playing the video game again. I started this video game called Mad Monsters. The gaming company is called Studio Volpes. My friend gave me the name, and I started thinking about what I really wanted to do, and eventually started a learning group for, everybody asked me, how did you get to where you are? I was a waiter like 4 years ago. I was homeless. I lived in my car, and my friends were telling me, hey, you got to learn this infrastructure stuff. Done the boot camps, tried to code. Not for me. But what wasn't for me? Anyway, my friend said, hey, learn this stuff. And I did. I picked up infrastructure, which, is different, but hey, and here I am, like some sort of poser engineer and full-fledged engineer, I don't know, and building up my businesses and trying to teach people technology and lead by example. So I'm here in Plaza Mayor. Oh, now there's the photo bomber. And so what I want to do is, big dreams. Next cut. It's another horse, also not a doggo, and a street sweetie guy. Maybe not. Oh, there it is. So, oh my God. So what I see and what I am aiming to share is that with technology, we're so close to incredible things. Imagine that everybody could grow their own food with little tiny microelectronics, with little computer robot thingies. We're there. We are so close. I work for a company right now that analyzes satellite images to tell you, insurance companies, if houses have pools or trees near the house that can fall on them, what kind of roof, what kind of roof structure, are those I don't even know what kind of roof tiles there are, but these computers know, are they shingly thingies, or are they I don't know, some other thing? These things know. They can tell just by analyzing the images. Machine learning, artificial intelligence, that's what it is. It's just beginning. And if everybody learns a little bit, we'll be in such a better place. And so no matter what it is you do, whether you're an artist or whether you're a trash truck driver or you're a surgeon, it could be anything. If you learn a little bit of technology, it will make what you do where you stand better. And that's my message, and that's what I want to share. And I want to do amazing things with it. Think, if you're a trash truck driver, how can you make it better? Automate the thing. You don't want to be pulling out the trash So there are ways to automate that. It's already happening. And if you're an artist, then you can build a website with a database with clients. You can find better ways to reach them. You can do so much with that kind of data, with the people that really support you, with your fans, with the people that love your art. And so there are so many reasons for everybody to do it. In impoverished villages, you could build small robotics that provide clean water. You could build small robotics that grow food. We're there with the machine learning models. We could train that, and there are people out there that are doing it. What I want to do is make that technology open source. Open source is where everybody contributes, but it's free for everybody to use for whatever reason. For if you want to make money off of it, great. If you want to be a great corporate rich overlord, or if you just want to improve the world, whichever it is fine. And that's open source. Anybody can use it. Everybody benefits. And some of the best software out there is contributed to by Google, by Amazon, by the most wealthy software companies in the world. And so by providing and teaching people to contribute to open source and building our own open source software, we're going to make the world a better place. And that's why I'm here. That's why Surfing Doggo. So I hope that you subscribe. I hope that you come along for the journey. And I hope that you learn as you go. If nothing else, just be entertained with the crazy shenanigans that we're going to get up to. I mean, we're I'm hoping to have some fun too. Anything from silly, crazy games to playing with fire. I mean, did I just say that? No, don't play with fire at home, kids. Don't do it. I'm going to stop talking. And I guess to finish this off, I want to talk about some of the dreams that I have. So in no particular order, I want to send a satellite to space. It's only like $25,000. And I used to work in a machine shop. I know enough to not really do anything, but I think it would be so cool. And there are things that you can do with that to improve like the atmosphere. You can measure atmospheric things. You can see like how the earth is reacting to things that we do to it, how the climate's changing, why it's changing. Is it us? Is it not? I would like to, what else? One thing that I've seen that I think is so cool is companies stick cameras out in the middle of the forest and they use AI to watch the animals and like learn about their habitat, learn about their patterns, their migrations, and like just how they kind of do their thing. I mean, nobody's gonna sit, maybe somebody will. If you do, that's totally cool, do your thing. But who has time to sit in front of the camera all day? But computers do. And so you take all that video that is taken in the middle of the forest and you're able to learn so much for sustainability, for protecting wildlife, for animal sightings that are endangered, how to protect them. I think that stuff's so cool. So I talked about this learning group. It's free to join. Go join. If you are at all interested or just want to sit on the sidelines, you don't have to talk. It's free, like completely free. I'm not going to charge. And it's just a community that I'm hoping to create of people who want to learn technology and use technology to make the world a better place, to make whatever they're doing better. And so join. I'll put the link somewhere, hopefully. And yeah. So anyway, so talking about the chat group, yeah, I want to make a chat bot in the chat group that teaches people to learn technology. A lot of people come to me and say, Cameron, how did you go from living in your car, being a waiter, to being a software engineer? And I've pointed people to resources that are free, that are great, but they also pose a little beyond basic level of technical knowledge. And most people don't have that and haven't really ever been interested in it. Don't really, it's just a few of us weirdos that geek out about it. And so what I want to do is bridge that gap and take people from not having that knowledge to being able to use this amazing technology like ChatGPT for whatever amazing reasons. Stable Diffusion can take like literal little kid crayon drawings and turn them into like beautiful works of art according to like in the style of Picasso or Van Gogh or it's just beyond me. And so I want to take the normal person, the average knowledge of somebody about technology and bring them up to be able to take advantage of this just mind-blowing technology that we have. Truly incredible. Very, very much incredible. Why don't people make statues of dogs? What's with the horses? All right, wrapping it up. There are so many things that I want to do, like converting cars to electric, old cool cars, making them fast. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you stay for the ride, and peace out.